Hello friends, today we take up applications of photoelectric effect. Photocell is one of the applications of photoelectric effect. Photocell is a device that converts light energy into electrical energy. Its principle is based upon photoelectric effect. When light of high frequency such as ultraviolet radiations are made incident on a photosensitive metal surface, photoelectrons are emitted. Let us look at its construction. Photocell consists of two electrodes, photocathode C and anode or collector A, fixed into a transparent evacuated glass tube as shown. B is battery supply, MA is milliampere meter, and RL is load resistance across which electric output is derived out. So it is the load resistance RL across which we take out electrical output when photons are made incident on photocathode of photocell. Now working. How photocell works? Let us look into it. When light of high frequency such as ultraviolets fall on photocathode C, photoelectrons are emitted out. These electrons are attracted by collector being positive and constitutes electric current to flow through load resistance RL. It's load resistance RL. So I repeat, when ultraviolet radiations are made incident on photocathode C, photoelectrons are emitted out, which are collected by collector A being positive and constitutes electric current to flow through load resistance RL, which gives us electrical output. Now applications of photocell. Basically, photocell is used as light operated switch, and light operated switch we put it to many applications. Second, it is used as a counter at entrance of auditoriums to count many thousands of people. Further, it is third, we can use it in TV cameras at TV studios. And fourth, for operating burglar alarms or fire alarms, photocells can be used. So basically, it is used as a light operated switch which can be put to many other applications. Now let us look at how it can be used as burglar alarm. Circuit for burglar alarm is as shown. This is the bell which is connected to AC mains through a relay which has this triangular contact and rectangular contact. This is electromagnet. This is photocell over which photons are made incident, and photocell is connected to electromagnet through battery B. Now when photoelectrons are made incident on a photocell, then current flows through the circuit and electromagnet attracts the rectangular contact upward, and the contact between rectangular contact and triangular contact of the bell remains open. Whenever any person passes through the gate or any other passage across which on one side is photocell, the other side is source of light, then light gets interrupted. Now current flow through electromagnet reduce, and then the contact becomes made. Contact is established because the relay is no longer working, and the rectangular contact is released, which makes contact with triangular contact, and the bell starts ringing. So this is the basics of how burglar alarm functions. Whenever a thief or burglar interrupts the light or crosses a particular passage and interrupts the light, then bell starts ringing, and the observer can think that there is some person has crossing the passage. So this way a burglar alarm functions. Now assignment 11, two questions, question number 14 and 15. What is a photocell? State its principle, draw its diagram and explain its working. Question number 15, give 4 applications of photocell. Thank you so much, and thanks for listening patiently. Thanks once again. God bless you.